Questions 1. What is unit of refrigeration MKS system? Option A, BTU per hours. Option B, kilocalorie per hours. Option C, kilojoule per hours. Right answer is option B, kilocalorie per hours. Questions 2. In refrigeration cycle, refrigerant heat is rejected by option A, evaporator, option B, condenser, option C, compressor. Right answer is option B, condenser. Questions 3. Which refrigerant has lowest freezing point? Option A, R22. Option B, R12. Option C, ammonia. Right answer is option A, R22. Questions 4. Which refrigerant is highly flammable? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, ammonia. Option C, R12. Right answer is option B, ammonia. Questions 5. What is function of accumulator? In refrigeration system, option A, stored unvaporized liquid refrigerant. Option B, control the flow of refrigerant. Right answer is option A, stored unvaporized liquid refrigerant. Question 6. Is ammonia refrigerant is used in domestic air conditioner? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Right answer is option B, no. Question 7. Evaporator is also known as option A, heating coil. Option B, cooling coil. Right answer is option B, cooling coil. Questions 8. 0 to the power of 0 Celsius is equal to option A, 100 Fahrenheit. Option B, 32 Fahrenheit. Option C, 52 Fahrenheit. Right answer is option B, 32 Fahrenheit. Questions 9. In refrigeration system, pressure difference is maintained by option A, evaporator. Option B, condenser. Option C, compressor. Right answer is option C, compressor. Questions 10. Which is not a part of reciprocation compressor? Option A, connecting rod. Option B, piston. Option C, screw. Right answer is option C, screw.